Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your Bedrock version and freeing needed storage. This avoids mismatched assets. Next, place the Connect texture pack file into your device's Downloads or Minecraft Imports folder so the game can see it. Once done, open Minecraft and navigate straight to Settings Global Resources to import the pack. Make sure to select the imported file and apply it. This registers textures and prepares them for world assignment, so you don't waste time later fixing missing assets. You now assign the Connect pack to a world so textures actually load in-game. First, open the world you want to modify or create a new one. This isolates changes. Then go to World Settings, choose Resource Packs, and move Connect from My Packs to Active. Make sure to place it above any default or shader packs to avoid conflicts, ordering controls which textures override others. Finally, save and reload the world to let Minecraft rebuild assets with the new pack applied. You wrap up by testing. Enter creative mode and inspect blocks, items, and models to confirm the Connect textures display correctly. If you see missing or glitch textures, restart Minecraft and clear the resource cache. This often forces a full reload. If problems persist, re-import the pack or adjust its priority relative to other packs, because conflicts usually cause overrides. One key troubleshooting tip: if a texture stays wrong, temporarily disable other packs to isolate and fix the conflict quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.